Want to add an extra layer of security to your Outlook app? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable the App Lock feature on your Android device quickly and easily. Let's dive in. Start by opening the Outlook app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account so you can access the necessary settings. Next, tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will open the profile menu, where you can find additional options. From the profile menu, look for the settings icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap on it to access the settings menu. Once in the settings menu, scroll down until you see the App Lock option. By default, this feature will be disabled, but you're about to change that. To enable App Lock, simply tap on the App Lock option. It will activate instantly, adding an extra layer of security to your app, ensuring that only you can access it. And that's it! You've successfully enabled the App Lock feature in Outlook, making your account more secure. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials and tips.